How to make a press release for SEO. Press releases are an effective tool for communicating a brand's message and online identity. Although press releases are a common marketing tactic, few people are aware of the SEO benefits. People frequently believe that a press release is something sent to journalists by a company or news organization when something bad is about to happen. Press releases are formal statements that provide concise, precise information about a significant event. A good press release will engage readers while also providing useful information. If a company or organization does it well, a media outlet may choose to publish it. We will cover everything you need to know about press releases and SEO. A good press release's strength lies in its ability to generate organic traffic. A good press release can also lead to lead generation. Your press release will be useless if no one picks it up and reads it. The end result is a flood of spammy releases chock full of difficult to read long keyword phrases. Making SEO press releases. SEO is much more than writing content with targeted keywords in today's digital marketing world. SEO includes alt tags, citations, links, and effective image usage. The following are some things you should know about producing this type of material. Create a press release with your target audience in mind. The same rules apply to press releases. Although you want people to read your press releases, the majority of people skim or ignore this type of information. Everyone will read an enticing headline you write. The first paragraphs, who and what, questions address what your company does and who the press release is intended for. Set the tone and deliver the information authoritatively. Include relevant background information but avoid tidbits or tedious company information. Keep your writing brief but informative. Press releases should be between 400 and 600 words long. When writing to your target audience, use terminology that they will understand. Compassion is the factor that determines newsworthiness. Now that you have a basic understanding of how to write a press release, you must learn how to optimize it for SEO. A common aspect of optimizing press releases is researching, selecting, and arranging your headlines. At least one of your primary keywords should appear in the headlines, first paragraph, and summary section. However, do not overword your press release. We've discussed the implications of this strategy for marketers. Consider both what readers are looking for and how to pique their interest when conducting keyword research. Consider using branding keywords that include your tagline or any other trademark terms and phrases. However, avoid releasing details about your company or its history in your press releases. Avoid using headlines with unusual sounds. Include eye-catching facts in your headlines whenever possible. To give your headline some oomph, use strong language. Respond to a reader's question in your title to get the heart of your content. When you finish writing your press releases, distribute them to the appropriate platforms and sources. When considering distribution options for your material, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and TikTok may be the first platforms that come to mind. Fortunately, there are a variety of press release distribution services available. We have access to them. These services can be tailored to your audience and industry. We have developed relationships with media outlets, influencers, and publishers. Look for the writers who have a strong focus on your industry. You can begin by sending them personalized letters explaining how your press release relates to the topic they cover. Avoid sending mass emails to journalists' email addresses you can find. Local chambers of commerce, newspapers, and television stations are excellent places to promote your press release. Do press releases help SEO? The answer is no if you're creating spam content in order to obtain a link from a reputable media outlet, and most distributors wouldn't like that anyway. The answer is yes if you create compelling press releases with high quality, relevant content and distribute them to reputable platforms and services. Who has the resources to get this done? We here at George Digital can write and distribute a press release for your company's important news. This can really save you a lot of time searching out distribution channels for your press release.